Hey guys, what's up? It's Barrett, and today's video is sponsored by DistroKid. So DistroKid is a service that allows you to upload your music onto services like Spotify and Apple Music and YouTube Music, and there's all kinds of music things now, iHeartRadio, all that good stuff. So what you do is if you're new to DistroKid, you go down to the link and you press sign up. Create a password for it. And you hit sign up. Then you have different packages. So the basic package is called the musician package, and it's only $20 a year. That's crazy. And if you use my link in the description, you'll get 7% off, and I'll get $5 for a referral fee for each person that signs up. So that's pretty cool. And the middle one is Musician Plus. That's $36 a year, $35.99, and then the label option is $80, basically $80, $79 per year. So from the first package, it's just $19.99. You get unlimited songs. That's pretty crazy because other services that allow you to upload music, they only allow you to upload so many minutes or so, and you can upload your lyrics to your songs and that sort of thing. So once you decide to continue, you just click continue, and you pay for your year service. So once you got your account going, that $19.99 a year, you can go into the DistroKid. What I really like about the interface is that it's just really simple. I mean, it doesn't get much more simple than this. You got their logo, a couple of different tabs, and click here to upload your music. This is cool because if you have like other people in your band that you have to split the percentage up of, you can go to teams and you can put that in, or just your payment information in general. You can click upgrade if you want to upgrade your package. I'm in the musician package, the first package. And then this is to bank. The bank tab is to show you what you have, what your total sales are. And then they have a settings tab, which is where you can put in all your information. And then stats is obviously the statistics on the things that you uploaded. All right, so if we click upload, what's really cool is look at all these different services that you can use. I mean, it starts out with the most popular ones: Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, TikTok. That's kind of funny. That's a newer one. Google Play, YouTube Music, Amazon, Pandora. I'm not sure what Deezer is or Tidal. I don't know what some of these are, like especially these last ones here. They must be like around the world and stuff. So what I'm going to do in this demonstration is I'm going to release a single off my newest album that I've been working on for years, man. I'm talking 4 or 5 years. So if we go here, number of songs, 1 song, previously released, no. So you put in your band name. I just go by my name. Release date, sure, let's call it today. And then I'm gonna upload your album cover. The album is called Reflection, so that's the whole little theme there. And it's rock. It's definitely not German folk. Definitely rock. I guess alternative. I'm definitely alternative, that's for sure. This song is called Somewhere to Fall. So then you can, tell them the songwriter's name. You can tell them whether you wrote it or not, because with DistroKid, it's pretty cool. You can actually upload covers, but they take care of all the legal stuff that's involved when it comes to, uploading a cover, and then the track price. What's really cool is it's got this extras option where you can pay to have the YouTube algorithm pay you if they hear people using your music in their videos. That's pretty fancy. Or that Shazam app, for people to, you can pay 99 cents for people to be able to use Shazam and figure out what the song is. But I don't want to do any of that extra stuff. So let's click done. So I guess I'm in, let's see, I guess I'm in Spotify. So that was crazy easy, man. I just like uploaded a single in like no time to all these different, you know, distribution services for people to stream or buy it or whatever. And yeah, just DistroKid makes it way too easy. So if you're interested, you know, grab that link that I have in the description there, and you'll save 7%. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks, DistroKid.